You want to marry 4 times, na?
Yes.
Yes. I am unable to get 1 and he wants to marry 4. So have you got 4 wives or not?
If we need 4 girls,
I need one. Arey man, wife. How can wife be need, man?
if your heart is not fulfilled, you can.
Yes, you are miss everyone get a reservation. So why?
Like-
Because the discrimination was on the basis of caste.
Sir, caste.
That is why we are getting these kind of reservation on the basis of caste. How can you say?
You need to do a job in this business. What did you think about the Nokia? He's already stable in the stand. You are talking about Nokia, but what about Samsung? What about Vivo, Oppo?
He updated himself.
That's why you need to update yourself.
That's why he is.
You need to update. If you are not updated, you will be out from the market.
Yeah, this is my
So-
problem. Then I will manage this. Then I will update myself.
So, but
It's my
point is that
problem.
he
It's my
said
responsibility.
for starting a business.
When I took the name of Buddy Talks, what came in your mind? Buddy Talks, it means we are going to have informal communication. It's kind of, right? You know, I have designed so many courses and so many activities only for my trainees so that they could be able to, or they can speak good English, they can communicate well. By Buddy Talks, what I meant to have is, you do not need to be very serious when it comes to communicating, but you have to lose yourself. Excuse me, what do I mean by that? Huh? When you become serious at the time of communicating, you can speak what you think. But when you lose yourself, you can speak what you don't expect to speak. Exactly. Let me talk well at Well Talk. Are you getting the point? So we have to talk well at Well Talk by losing ourselves, by involving ourselves. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll be calling one person from here and I'll be calling one person from here, of course. We will sit down here. We have to become down to earth, right? And we are down to earth. We will be talking some of the things here and let's see how many people are able to lose themselves talking on multiple topics. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the first person of the day, very renowned person, Miss Sikha, please. I have welcomed you on this stage. Every day we used to stand up there, but today we are sitting here. Why?
It shows like we are in equal today. You are not teacher, I am not a student. We are just like a friend.
No, I'm teacher, okay? How can you say I'm not teacher? I am teacher. You're disrespecting me.
No, sir. You are like, for today, you are like my brother. And
I'm always brother actually. But right now you have to call me teacher.
okay, sir, I will.
I have spent so much money only for being called teacher. And you're not calling me teacher?
Sir, I respect you are my teacher, sir.
By the way, to Sikha, first of all tell me that why Sikha?
Bhai Sikha.
Why Sikha? Why should people listen to you?
So, because I have something interesting always for people so that I can add value something in their life. That's why they will listen me.
Great. So to make this communication tantalizing, I would like to raise one topic.
Yes.
And I will be inviting a person from there as well so that he can fight with you, he can argue with you.
Okay,
The
sir.
topic is that in this 21st century, what do you think? Married life is the best or unmarried life is the best? What do you personally think?
Personally, think so. If I talk both, I have seen the both view.
But you have seen both? Are you married?
No, sir. The experience that I have take I have seen the married person who is not very happy the life, and somewhere then second hand I have seen the unmarried person.
They are always not happy, right?
They are always not happy. But personally,
So which one?
Sir, personally, I said the unmarried life is
Is the
better.
best.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, do you also think like her that unmarried life is the best?
Yes, sir.
No, you have to go with her. You have to go with her, okay? Because she is. you are saying unmarried life is the best. You think, now you have to think so, right? Come on. Tell these people and tell me as well that why unmarried life is the best. Exactly. Every night I feel that somebody should be there. Every morning I just feel that somebody should come and hold my hand and say, excuse me, come baby. And you are shattering my dreams?
Sir, actually, why I said that, like in this era, not in this era, in this time, people are depend emotionally to one person. Like if they have any pain, they said to her. Yeah,
That is fine. Somebody should be there, right?
Yes, sir. Listen.
Yes.
The whatever have they just share, and what happened one day, he or she left her or his leaves, and they like totally alone.
All right.
So what is this, sir? Sir,
Okay.
we don't have to.
So if you are unmarried, it is possible. When you are committed, when you are married, there is no possibility of leaving anybody. Are you getting the point? Like you said, unmarried life is the best. I think after every week, you have to leave one person. There is a possibility of leaving people in unmarried life. But if you remain married, if you are married, there is no possibility of leaving.
But sir, nowadays people are living.
After getting married.
Beloved. People are living
After getting married.
Yes, sir.
But you already know the possibility. People are womanizers now. People are, kind of polyandrous now.
Sir, they are just forcefully bond their relationship.
Oh my goodness. Hello, everybody. She is trying to say that unmarried life is the best, but she doesn't have, any genuine reason. Is there anybody who would like to come here and sit down with me and tell her and tell these people as well that unmarried life is really not good and married life is the best? Who would like to? Nee, Asuf sir is from here, right? Noor, please come here. Have a seat, please. How are you?
I'm fine. Tell about it, sir.
I'm good. Excuse me, wait, sir.
We cannot, sir, pudding.
No, you can. First of all, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Before few days, you said that I want to get married at least 4 times.
4 times.
You said that.
Oh, yes, sir. I have said. Yes.
Sikha.
Yes.
He wants to marry 4 times.
Time.
You said 4 times.
4 times.
You want to marry 4 times, na?
Yes, yes.
Yes. I am unable to get 1 and he wants to marry 4. So have you got 4 wives or not?
If we need 4 girls,
I need one. Arey man, wife. How can wife be need, man?
exactly. If your heart is not fulfilled, you can. Yes, exactly, sir.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Exactly.
देखा लापरवाही का नतीजा. It means just like water is need for us, food is need for us, right? Wife is also need for us.
Sir, everything is available here, but your heart is not fulfilled. These things. Because if you
Why do you want to marry 4 times? Tell me honestly.
sir, because our heart is not
Heart? You have 4 heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hearts do you have?
It doesn't matter. One heart I have.
Excuse me?
Doesn't matter. But only I have.
आए काश कहीं ऐसा होता 2 दिल होते सीने में. I think you have 4 hearts. How can you give 1 heart to 4 wives?
Sir, listen to me. He has no heart.
You should not speak.
Girls' hostel.
Yes.
Yes. I have only 1 heart
For 4 wives.
everyone's. But you can make another heart. You can make
You can make another heart.
Yes.
Artificial heart.
artificial heart. Yes.
He is saying we can make artificial heart.
Everyone says your heart is I have. My heart is you have.
Okay.
Exactly.
Your heart is my heart. My heart is your heart.
Yes, exactly. Everyone says.
अरे तो ऐसा क्या? You can say anytime. You can say to anybody, any auntie, any dadi, any chachi. You can say to anybody.
The person who says, and he loves anyone, the person he says, I have your heart, my heart you have. Yes.
To Sikha, the point.
Anytime. I didn't say.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
So Sika, he wants to marry 4 times. You can see that ki married life is the best. And thank you for motivating us as well. We are followers of yours. We will
Sir,
also.
actually, it is a people, human nature. They are not satisfied. They have. If he is not satisfied with one, how can we
Excuse
say
me.
that?
What do you mean by satisfaction here? Like, what kind of satisfaction are you talking about?
Sir, he said, he said like the need. He was talking about the need. He is not satisfied. The first, wife not able to fulfill like his demand.
Arey, what does he want that ki wife is not able to fulfill, man? Yes.
Sir,
What do you want? In fulfillment, what do you want?
it is unspeakable thing, sir.
It is unspeakable thing. But oh, doing. Sir, I am really not able to understand that. First of all, manage to have one at least. Right?
Yes, sir.
I think he's not able to marry once even. That's why he's worried about 4.
Sir, he is not satisfied. Wonder how can it is possible to he will be satisfied the 4
Four, of course.
wife.
Sir, you can say one time your one wife is fulfilling baby. After that, what will you do? You will have to your side, your thought is misguiding another person. Sir,
Sir, you are
No, excuse me. Wait.
misguiding, sir. You are misguiding.
Wait. Let's not make this conversation filthy kind of. He's trying to say. Let me justify that. Maybe a wife has baby. She is busy in taking care of babies. So I must have somebody else to enjoy somewhere, to go anywhere, right? Because she is busy now in taking care of baby. So I should have other wife. And if she is pregnant, she is having babies. Let me go with third one.
Sir,
Right.
Sir, why? Sir,
The point is that.
then the point is that, sir,
Neetu, come here. Neetu, sit down here. Neetu!
sir, I want to say that then why wife? Why not friend? Why not female friend? Why you have to wife?
And we can make one question that your wife can have 4 husbands as well. What's the problem? Is it okay or not?
yes.
Miss, your wife can have 4 husbands also. Is this okay?
No, it is never.
What is this? Arey, why
It
not?
is inequality then.
It is
inequality.
it
then you are
never can be
discriminating.
possible that sir can have 4
Husbands.
Husband.
Miss, girls can't have. You can have.
yes, I can.
Sir, actually, this is the mindset. That is the mindset.
For our life.
That's why I have chosen the unmarried life.
Exactly.
They are telling that I have a 4 wife, but my wife has not the 4 husband. That's why I have chosen the unmarried life.
Yeah.
You are doing discrimination with your wife.
Exactly. Of course. I mean, yes. Maybe your wife must be watching in future. Please, Bhabhi, he's very dangerous. He is a womanizer.
No, I am not dangerous.
He can become sugar daddy. Are you saying need, man? Need is a very dangerous thing.
Whatever want you say, sir. If I dangerous, so dangerous. If I not that, but it doesn't matter.
How humble you are.
Humble request.
No problem. I would like to welcome Mr. Ejaz bhai. Please come here. You make this time? Ejaz bhai, sit down here. Mr. Ejaz bhai, before some time, your member was trying to say that I want to marry 4 times. He is actually promoting unnecessary things here. So what do you think? Like, is it okay?
No, sir, it is not good. No, I can't.
Oh, okay, you can't talk about it, but here your team is representing that unmarried life is the best. So could you please highlight some point? No, sorry, married life, right? Married life is the best. So could you please highlight some points that is in the favor of married life?
Sir, married life is so good because in married life we can easily share our joys and sorrows with our partner. If we don't have any partner, we can't share our joy, our feelings with anyone. So that I think married life is good.
Of course, right.
Sir,
There
I
should be-
have one question. Are you married?
No.
I will suggest don't go for married, sir. You are looking very happy and your face is full of very joy. If you go for a married, I have.
You will lose this smile,
You
right?
will lose this smile. And that smile is very precious. You have to be preserve it.
No, it depends upon your understanding, your mentality.
Of course. And what if he gets a beautiful wife? This smile will remain forever.
Sir, it's like a 4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात है.
9 days wonder, yes. You are making me afraid, you know.
Yes, sir, I am making.
My marriage has been fixed, do you know?
Sir, actually.
What do you want?
Sir, actually, I'm not making you afraid. I'm making you aware.
Oh,
No, ma'am. Actually, if you want to do something great in your life, then you need a good partner definitely in your life.
of course.
Why partner should be wife? Why partner should not be your friend?
No, friend is not forever. But your partner, if you have wife, that she will be
You don't know the
forever.
divorce.
No, if you have a understanding, good understanding, that it will not happen.
No, there will not be any possibility of divorce, right? Exactly. Yes. And you are going against nature as well, you know. Of course. What about reproduction? Of course, right?
Yes.
You are increasing, you know, animals' life here.
No, sir.
Let's invite
Sir,
a very
sir,
experienced guy,
sir,
Mr. Ashok, sir. Please.
Sir, if you are talking about nature, then nature told us like this. We are not like the cloth we are wearing, but in previous days we are living in the forest. That is nature. We are
We went against, huh?
Yeah, if you are really talking about the nature, then you have to.
So what do you
worried
want? People
about-
should not wear, you know-
worried about the nature, na?
You don't want people to wear dress.
Sir,
You want that, Hira? No. What is going on here? Let's talk to Ashok, sir. So, sir, we were talking about going against nature. Like you guys are saying that we should remain unmarried. We should not be married, actually, right? What would you like to say?
I am supporting married life because I experienced both. In my bachelor's life, I used to get freedom for everything. Do not have to ask someone for my schedule. Like if I want to go somewhere, to visit somewhere, I can literally go. That's not a problem. But now I have to check my wife's schedule, my son's
That's a
schedule.
problem. That's a problem, Ijaz
To
bhai.
make another visit or to make something to do with my friends. So that kind of freedom I am going to lose. But there are lots of things we can get from the marriage, that there is someone who, apart from you, who is going to take care of yourself also. So marriage.
Sir, how lucky you are, sir, that she's taking care of you and you're calling it, you know, burden. Oh,
I
exactly.
called it as word.
No, you said that freedom. You gave the name of freedom. I have to make a. Huh?
My freedom somehow. Like the freedom I used to had in in my bachelor life. The same kind of freedom I do not have in my marriage life.
No, because of having wife.
You have to gain something by losing something.
No, you haven't lost anything, but you have gained a lot,
Gain a lot.
right?
So win-win situation.
Okay, fine. Do you have anything to say?
Yes, sir.
About unmarried life?
Like unmarried, no, I support of married, because, sir, my question is that if you marry one time and if you get married one time, to your thought will not misguiding another things. So it is necessary. Anyone has said, sir. First of all, we need to. Yes.
So if you are committed, if you are in relationship after marriage, you will not be distracted. That is why it's very important to be married as soon as possible.
Who said that?
No.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, why?
You are talking about a four marriage.
Yeah.
A four marriage is also a distraction.
Why distraction? Are?
Distraction.
Are 4 wives? What kind of distraction?
I can take care her. So why is the distraction? I can take care her.
He has capability, he has capacity, he has ability, he has strength. He can. Don't doubt on him, okay?
Sir, if I can get marry 4 person, so I can also take care her.
Are you sure? So one wife has 10 babies. 10 into 4 is equal to 40 babies. How can you take care of 40 babies?
It is your thought, sir.
What is my thought? Are you before some time you said
Ability to take care 14 child. You have
40 children he's
you
going to have.
Ability.
Do you have ability?
How are you saying that? It is our ability. I can.
Our nahi, my ability. Our kaise?
Sir, this is my ability.
Don't doubt on his ability. He's saying, right? Come on. He can, of course.
Oh, why not?
Sir, you are just increasing the population of India. Don't you, the boy?
Oh my God!
If I increase in our India, so I can fight another person. I can fight Pakistan.
If you want to, if you
Arey bhai, oh bhai, sir, don't motivate. Otherwise, everybody will start getting married with 4 wives.
It's like this. It should be like this. Yes.
Guys, you should
get married 4 person.
and your wife should also marry 4 husbands.
No, it is never possible. It is never possible that.
No, if you want to increase population,
who
you
gives
have.
you authority to take 4 marriages?
No, he wants to increase population, na?
And other side you said that girls have get only 1 marry. I want to do 4 marry. What are you in this condition?
Arey no, you are saying that I want to increase population, right? So that we can fight with other countries as well. So you should allow your wife to go and be with other husband as well, so that she can give birth.
Yes, sir.
Of course, why not? Why not?
Sir, it will be forbidden. It will be haram ho jaye. Yes, sir.
For you it is halal. What is this?
For me, halal.
For me halal. Bhai.
You have very conservative thoughts, sir. Same on you, sir.
What is difference animal and female and animal? Because if he take
Sir, sit down. कुछ भी अरे भैया कुछ भी प्रमोट हो जाएगा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा वहाँ मिला अरे भी कुछ भी बोल जाएंगे कोई दिक्कत नहीं ऑलराइट
You are getting 4 marry, and after getting 4 marry, what is the difference between animal and you?
यस लो तेरी
So that's what I'm saying. If it is not different, so you can get marry animal.
If it is not different, you can marry with animal. So you want to marry with Bandariya?
I'm not saying that I'm.
You are saying that you can marry.
Sir, she is saying that it is if it is not different, so you can get marry animal. It is our right.
It is our rights to marry with Bandariya.
No, I'm not.
Noor Bhai wants to marry with animal as well. A breaking news is coming from India. Noor Bhai wants to marry with animal. Hey Bandariya, if you're ready, come on.
Indicating another person. It is not indicate my for more me. Yes.
Acha, animals are not for you.
Another person.
No, let's come to the point. Let's not make it fun. Okay, fine. So, Miss Neetu, could you please tell a few things that you like about unmarried life?
Freedom is the most important thing.
You guys are repeating the same points, right? Come on, freedom, freedom, freedom. Anything else that you have?
A financial condition. If I talk about the financial condition after getting married, if you do not have good financial condition, you can't survive with your wife and children. And if you are alone and in alone condition, if you do not have your salary is not good, you can survive easily. And after getting married, you have a child, you have a wife, and if you have a child, you can do everything for your child, like education system and feeding stomach and other things. That's why single life is best. If I do not have ability, if I do not have
No, don't suppose anything, right? After getting married, you get responsibility, right? So after getting responsibility, you will begin to earn money.
yes,
Do you understand that?
Yes.
So it's a big motivation. Get married.
it's not big motivation, and
Mike.
Ratan Tata is it's not big motivation. Ratan Tata is also single.
Ratan Tata wanted to marry.
Want to marry, but they do not do marry.
Why did he not do marry? Because of wife. Because of girl, actually, right? He didn't marry.
He has girlfriend, but he has no wife.
What about Shah Rukh Khan?
Saruk.
Of course.
You are saying ki
He got
marriage is
married.
motivation.
Gauri Khan is the best example, the best partner. So,
Sir, Ratan Tata, Bata, and
Bill Gates, Shah Rukh Khan,
and
Amir Khan.
Ramdev, and Amitabh Bachchan. He will get a lots of
Mumtaz,
after
Shahjahan
marriage.
Mumtaz. Right. There are so many examples. Right. So, no, it's not a good point. Jagdeep, please come. Need to have a seat, please. Jagdeep, come here. Yes, Ijaz.
Sir, sir, a person can live without marry for 20, 30. Sir, a person can live without marry for 30 to 40 years. What about after 40 years? Yes, after 40 years, what he will do?
Who would like to reply?
Yeah, who will care after 40, 50
He's saying that
years?
everything is okay being unmarried, but after 40 years or 50 years, you will be old. Somebody should be there to take care of you. So who will be who will be there?
Your wife, your husband.
So that is why he's saying. That is why he's saying. No, you have to be married.
After you get married.
Supporting marriage.
He's also supporting married life, right? Yes, Jagdeep. Could you please answer this guy? Like you guys are saying that you have to be unmarried, but he's saying that if you get old, right, after an age, so who will be there to take care of you?
Actually, I don't understand. Once again, repeat.
Like for example, if you guys are saying that you have to be unmarried, don't marry. So he's saying that if you don't marry after 40 years and after 50 years, you will become old.
Of course.
So if you are unmarried, then who will take care of you?
Yeah, right.
But if you are married, your babies will be there. They will be taking care of
Sir,
you.
but nowadays what happened? Our children after getting married, they just leave us in orphan. In
Orphan? Old age house.
Old home house.
Old age house.
Old age house. And but if we are in single, we earn more money. We make more friends, and when we have more money, we can hire for take care of ourselves.
Noor bhai khatra hai.
Yes, getting, sir, I am getting.
So I think 40 children will make one bungalow of old age house, and he will be the first person to enter in the old age house.
What did you say, sir?
Do you know old age house?
Old age house means
Vriddha ashram
Vriddhashram.
means babies are not able to take care of parents, so they send in one house. Yeah, only older people live there.
together. He will live together.
Together.
Yes, I have been living together. So
I will live with my wife. 4 wives.
I had been living together. Yes.
I will leave. मैं रहूंगा ना. I will leave.
मैं रहा था ना सर. मैं खुद रहा था. दूसरे काहे नहीं रहेंगे.
रह चुके हैं आप?
Yes.
Oh.
What he is saying?
Oh my God! You already have lived.
He is really not.
You are married.
Fair enough.
If you are unmarried, then how can you live?
With my brother. I have 4 brothers.
Huh? So I have lived in old age house.
It is not possible that now one time we cannot build a 4 room and another thing.
You did not understand that. हमारे समाज में कुछ ऐसे जो है सरकार की भी तरफ से NGOs की तरफ से एक कैंप बना दिया जाता है, एक घर बनाया जाता है जहाँ पे जो बुजुर्ग लोग को रखा जाता है. कुछ लोग बच्चे होते हैं अपने मम्मी पापा को घर से निकाल देते हैं, दखल कर देते हैं. तो ऐसे में जो है तो यही ये कह रही हैं कि भैया सतर्क हो जाइए, बाद में आप भी भगाए जाएंगे. Right? Did you understand now?
Your 40 children will left you in the.
Will kick you out.
Kick you out from the your.
It depends about the parents, how they take care about their children.
Exactly. We are educated. We'll give good parenting actually, right?
So today I am here because I am only for my parents. To do something for my parents.
Of course.
That's why I am here.
But sir,
Change after marriage.
They change who? Parents will change.
These
Bees, babies after marriage. So you are telling that it is not good.
if you get married, your children, your wife na just say something to your children, they will distract and they will not in favor then.
It depends upon you, as you sow, so shall you reap.
Oh, as you sow, shall you reap. जैसा बोएंगे वैसा काटेंगे.
Yes, as you teach your children, also they will take care about you
No, sir.
like that.
Sir, have you seen the Bagman movie?
No,
The Amitabh
I don't
Bachchan
see.
was a great. The parenting, acting they have the shown that was very good. But after that, what they done?
You can speak. You will come here. Wait for a while. You will come here. So Sika, in the last, what do you want to say? What is your message for the people?
Sir, in one favor or can?
It's not about favor. What is your heart saying actually? You want to remain unmarried or married?
Sir, actually, it is. I don't think it is possible to remain unmarried for me. It is my sir said na what my heart says. But I am in favor, I will not go to marriage, but it is difficult to remain unmarried. Like my parents have some also dream to for
make
me,
me married.
for me. But I will choose that person who just respect me more, who respect my thoughts, who respect.
So that is what they are promoting, right? Come on. Okay, we will marry with those people who 4 wives will respect, right?
Oh my God! But he is not going to respect that wife.
Oh my God. He is going to respect when he needs.
Yes, he is not depend upon their need. His need.
Whenever you will need, then you will respect. Otherwise, you will say.
Otherwise, not.
You will not get married. You will meet another person hiding. It is your.
Oh, you will meet other person hiding. Yes.
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 Why will you get married? Because you are enjoying by.
ठीक है ठीक Noor bhai, control yourself please. All right, I understand that.
He is not.
Thank
he
you
is
very
not
much.
Thinking about.
Thank you everybody, please have a seat. Have a seat. Jagdeep, you be here. So Mr. Jagdeep, before some time you were discussing about marriage, right? So what do you personally think? It's not about team, it's about your opinion. What do you personally think about it?
Yes, sir, definitely married life is the best.
Best.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, fine. Any one thing that you think is the best?
Yeah, suppose that you are doing a job in company and you have many problems there. That time anybody will not understand you. But if you have a partner, definitely he will support you. He will guide you. She will understand to you.
Of course,
so
right.
I think it should be better for everyone.
Fine. Okay. So that guidance can be taken by girlfriend as well. Right.
Yeah, of course.
So
Yeah,
why to be married? The same thing, everything can be done by a girlfriend as well.
Suppose that a person who has a girlfriend and they are in relationship since 5 years, 6 years, but one day has come and that girl
Cheats.
get married. Then what will you do?
It's okay. We can have other girlfriend.
No, it's not good. So loyalty.
Why? Loyalty matters. She has got married with other person. I have Article 21, right to life.
Yeah, of course.
So I can just have another girlfriend.
Yeah, of course. But when will you to become a girlfriend to other girlfriend? So definitely you will be growing yourself. You will be.
Sir, I'm growing with girlfriend, right? If she's cooperative, then I will just go for her.
So
I will propose her
how many-
if she's compatible.
Yeah, of course, but how many years? 60 years, 70 years?
Till my last breath.
No, sir.
Yeah, of course, it is possible. Look at Justin Bieber, he used to do that.
Okay.
The point is that the thing that you want to do with your wife, the same thing can be done with girlfriend as well.
Yeah, but on the other hand, suppose that that girl will cheat you and she has.
And what if wife cheats? Did you watch Dhadkan movie?
Yeah.
So
absolutely.
if you get arranged marriage, maybe she will say that, excuse me, I had Fagunia.
No, that time once moment has come and she will respect Akshay Kumar. But it depends on you. If you care, if you love that person a lot, so definitely that woman will come to you. It depends on you, sir.
Imagine that you are going to get married.
Of course.
And I'm pretty sure, and 100% sure that wife must have somebody else.
Okay, so definitely everybody has a past. So what?
Past, or it will be last. Exactly. It
So
is not.
It depends on the nature, sir. It depends on the nature. If your nature is doing
So don't marry.
you will do, sir.
So if why are you putting yourself in risk? Think about your ishq and think about your risk. Exactly.
No, sir. And your parents has some dreams to you, sir. And
Parents want that wife should come and make chapatis and wash clothes.
so it depends on you, sir.
What? Everything doesn't depend on me. Exactly.
No, sir.
I would say that ki please go and find girlfriends and enjoy your life. Exactly.
No, definitely, sir. Every family, every parents has the dream to you, and if you are earning some monies and you are fulfill the desire of your parents, so your parents will be happy. So it is your responsibility. Suppose that you have a wife, you have a girl.
Your desire matters or your parents' desire matters for you?
So definitely your desires matter, sir. But it sometimes your parents' desire matters, sir, because they brought to you. Yeah, of course, sir.
If you're happy, your parents will be more happy.
So yeah, of course.
So?
No, listen to me, sir. No problem. No problem. No problem.
No. Exactly. Just imagine that if I call my mother and say, excuse me, Ammi, you know what? I love Ananya Pandey.
Yeah.
And she's the
Yeah,
richest.
if you are worthy, so no, see, your parents will not.
That is why I am promoting be worthy
Yeah.
and go haldi. Exactly. Of course. So we should remain unmarried, right?
Yeah.
Of course. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Means we should not marry.
Yeah.
Yes. You are accepting that. No problem,
But
sir.
one day will come, I will get married, sir. I'm not thinking I am.
That is why I'm saying, now one day will come that we will get married.
Of course.
This is what we have to reject. This is what we have to reject.
Why will I get into this?
This is killing your emotion. This is killing your, responsibility. This is killing your self-orientation.
How can you say that, sir?
I can say that.
How?
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
Same thing every day.
What same thing, sir? What same thing? So you become.
There is a very good dialogue where Shah Rukh Khan, किसी के बाल अच्छे, किसी के गाल अच्छे, किसी के हाथ अच्छे.
So in our society, in our world, so beauty is not important. Surat is not important. Sirat is the important. Yeah, of course.
If you have different sirat, what a khubsurat it is.
So you have to respect to other person, sir.
I am respecting. I'm not violating. I'm not harassing. I'm not molesting.
You suppose that other person, not you, other person is going to make other girlfriend. So what is this?
It's all right. I mean, it's her choice. Let her make.
Okay.
I will be yours if you will be mine. I will not be yours if you're not mine. Adan Vardhan. By the way, please have a seat. Please have a seat. Let me invite unconfident people here to sit down and have words on different topics. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mansi, please come to the stage. Mr. Shaklan, please come to the stage. Miss Tulika, please come to the stage. Mr. Deepak, please come to the stage. Hey, ma'am, don't fear. Please sit down here. I'm here. Nobody can care. The topic I'm going to raise and have, this is going to be tantalizing. First of all, tell me, are you guys comfortable?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Really? Are you comfortable? Yes. Really? Yes. Fine. What do you think? Listen to me carefully. What do you think in this era or in this generation? Who is more responsible at home? Girls or boys? Who are more responsible? Definitely.
Sir, both are. Sir, boys.
Of course, boys are more responsible.
Girls are more responsible than boys.
Girls don't do anything.
Sir, girls do both things, study and work.
What kind of work they do?
Like related to homework, home, but boys have no responsibility to work at home. But girls have both, related to home, related to college life.
Ma'am, making chapati is not a big deal actually, right?
Not
But
only
we
big
boys have to struggle. Of course, boys are more responsible.
Sir, girl also struggles hard.
Which hard work, tell me?
in every field, like in also kitchen, in also house, in also in every sector.
Ma'am, to provide anything of kitchen, we have to work hard. The thing you are making, we are giving.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Girl can also earn and
Can also, no? But they don't do actually. Can and do, there's a difference.
For making chapatis, we have to earn and bring atta at home. After that, you can make chapatis and all that kind of stuff.
I can also bring atta.
But the big ghata is that the big ghata is that ki girls are not responsible in anything, right? They are very emotional. They are emotional blackmailers.
Sir, according to me, boys has more responsible than girl because sir, every financial management take responsibility for boys. Sir, they are very struggle to earning money and they struggled to earn money. And sir, every responsibility puts on men, not girls. Sir, the girls are staying home and they are making some chapati like food, breakfast. They are only do this. This type of things.
Not every girl are cooking, sir.
All the girls actually, that is the problem. And girls are, why the girls want to do job, first of all, tell me. Why? The main responsibility of girl is to be at home, to take care of babies. No, I want to go, I want to do job. Why?
She can take care of babies also. She can take care of house.
So she can do only that thing.
No, sir. She can also take care of her responsibility of job and all things.
But in comparison to boys, like he's saying that, we...
Girls are multi-talented, they do, and they handle all the work in outside and in home. So because they have more responsibility and they know I have like more responsibility and I manage at one time at...
Sir, I can also make food, I can also make chapati. What is the difference?
Of
So
course.
what is the difference? Girls and boys are same? No difference.
Sir, no difference, but
Both
we can do anything like you. We can earn money, we can make chapati, food, everything
Nowadays
that we are
So we
needed.
can also do all things like you.
No, you can't do.
Ma'am,
You are
the big...
and you can't do. You are very sensitive. Like you are very sensitive. You are very like chidchirapan. Like yes, sir.
No, Mansi, the point is that like right now you're a student, right? I am also a student. We are struggling here. If we do not get success, nobody will marry.
Yes, sir.
But if you don't get success,
You can marry a settled man. Marry a settled man, and you can be also settled with that.
how easy it is.
It is very easy for you. And we had to, if we did not success in one place, we have to work hard in other place for earning money, for earning respect.
And we boys are struggling only for that.
Yes, sir.
So that somebody could marry.
Yes, sir.
And you guys are no problem. So if I do not get success, no problem. Somebody will marry me anyhow.
Sir, somebody will marry me, but that person like rule in the life of girls because don't go there, don't go outside, don't because you are nothing. I'm.
You can you can find right person for that.
So how? Like if I say no one right person,
No, it can't be that. It can't
because
be.
no one is perfect, na?
It can't be that kind of. If you will choose the right person for yourself, and as you are, if you are finding a right person,
Okay,
it can't be
if
better
if
than.
I will choose a right person.
Yes.
But that person have no job, so
No,
You will not marry.
you will, of course, you will not marry that man.
okay. So
You
if
will
I marry,
firstly, if you are choosing, you will firstly choose the person with the.
Interrogation.
Yes.
Everything will be going on.
Your first priority will be that money he is earning.
okay, if I marry with a person who is very rich, okay, but that person is not good. Like, can I example like a Noor, like you know
Yeah.
what I because my priority if I marry a person, so if a person is good, then okay.
What if she is polygamist, polyandrous? Like before I married, I have to acknowledge what his background. I have to acknowledge that, na. And you said ki Noor bhai, like Noor bhai, I don't want to marry like Noor bhai persons. So I don't like to marry like polyandrous. She can be also.
That's
So
why,
what's-
sir, we want to take all the responsibility by ourselves.
Oh, it means girls are responsible.
Yes, sir.
Girls are responsible.
So no, sir, we are more responsible.
We can.
You can, but at a time of point you will be tired of doing all the.
No, I will not.
No,
I can earn
You
money,
have
I can cook food, I
in-
can take care of my babies, I can take care
no,
of my family.
you can't. Such a time of period will come. You will tired of everything. You will be very in chidchida.
Then you will not be tired of that.
No,
of
I have to
earning
do
money.
only
What
job
will
and
happen if you will
you
tell
have
the
to manage
future?
your job, your child, your home as cooking. You have to all do all thing. We have to only. Yes.
Thank you very much. No discrimination, only for me. Please. Mr. Sozaf and Mr. Tushar, please come on the stage. Hurry up. And from here, I would like to welcome Mr. Bhaskar. Please come to the stage. Mr. Nirvaj Chopra, please come to the stage. Hello, Tushar.
Yes, sir.
The same question, please hold it.
Yeah.
Everybody's boy, na? हाँ, ठीक है तो.
Yes, sir.
Why this much smartness, sir?
This question you should ask from my guardians, not from me.
Call your father right now.
Yeah, of course.
It's okay, it's okay. So, Mr. Tushar, I would like to start talking about business and job actually right now.
Okay.
What is your expectation for the future? Like you are gonna start doing business or you are gonna focus on job?
Yeah, of course. I'm going to start a business.
You're going to
I'll
start a
become
business.
an entrepreneur.
Okay, fine. Is it okay if you talk about job now? By the way, I'll make question. So you want to start, kind of business in future, right? So do you think you will be able to, or you will be capable to do that?
Yeah, of course. I'm able to hold this business and all type of business that I want.
Very nice. Let me talk to him first.
Yeah.
What's up?
How are you?
I'm feeling good.
You're feeling well?
Yes.
Do you love yourself?
Yes, I love yours.
How much? How much?
100%.
100%.
Yes.
Good. So here, what was he speaking? Do you know?
Business and job.
He was speaking both.
No, he chose business.
He has chosen
He's chosen
business.
business.
What about you?
I want to become a businessman.
You want to become businessman. What thing do you want to sell or manufacture?
No, I am doing trading. Trading is a business.
Oh, so trading is a business. Beautiful. So forever you want to do that?
Yes.
Okay, so how much money have you lost?
In starting, 2 lakh.
2 lakh you have lost. And how much money do you make?
Earn. 5 lakh.
Every day?
No, every day 2 to 3K.
2 to 3K you earn? Oh my goodness. So you're earning a lot of money nowadays.
Yes, sometimes.
So should we expect to kidnap you?
Okay. Sir, you are earning much.
No, should we I'm talking about, right?
Sir, you are much.
But not like you, right?
No, you are earning, sir, 12 lakh per month. You are saying, sir, ki I can buy.
I didn't do that.
Sir, you are saying ki I can buy one Swift Desire.
So second hand.
In a month.
Second hand.
Okay, 6 lakh, 8 lakh.
No, second hand, base model.
You are not
Base model is, I think, 56,000.
You are saying, sir, ki I can
50,000
buy
rupees. 50,000 rupees. I can give you one base model of Swift in Mahanagar. 50,000.
Mentioned by.
I really mentioned second hand.
I give you 50,000 rupees.
I can give you Swift base model without tires. You can get it. Of course, base model without tires, you can get it. So, Mr. Sozaf, you want to do business, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to do trading forever and you want to make
Yes,
money.
yes.
Anshu,
Yes, sir.
I know you want to become job holder, right? That's good. Why don't you focus on business?
Because
थोड़ा खोल के बोलो भाई.
sir, Firstly, I want to earn money because for starting a business, we need a money.
We need money, okay?
If we have a no background of money, means financially background, so we should firstly earn money and after that start a business.
True.
But sir, people is saying that
people are saying
that we can earn 100, 200, 300. It is not a kind of business. It is like of Dihadi Mazdoor.
Yeah.
Okay.
It means business, you are doing something big. Business, B for big and business, it is the equal of both.
Right.
So,
right.
First, and you can provide, after business, you will not become a job holder, you will become a job provider. You will not become a job seeker. So that's why, firstly, I want to learn. Like for doing a job, how to behave, and after that maybe in future.
So finally, you want to prove that business becomes possible when you become expert by doing job. The job is important
Means
first, right?
if you have a finance, if you not have a financially background, so you should firstly earn.
Anything you want to add?
Job is best because job provides the safe, secure future. Job provides a safe, secure future. If you are doing job, and you get the you can get the peaceful environment in life. And if you are doing business, it is not possible. How it is possible ki business success ratio is not 100%, 90%, 100%. Success ratio in 2 and 3%.
0.1%.
0.1%. But if you are doing job, if you are preparing for job, 90% is
99.9%. Yes.
Okay, you're speaking good, but I am not. Yeah,
you're smiling.
Now I am smiling on his topic, his statement. If you told us job is not secure, business is not secure, then business is not secure, then how can you speak that your job is also not secure? Yeah, of course, sir. You told me about a government job.
How can you say that your job is secure, that you can 99%?
You also doing a job in any business. Yes. Yeah. And that business is not secure, then how can you speak that my job is secure? Okay. And government job in which field? Only government job doing a welfare, and welfare working also come, and that money also come from a business. If you are doing good job, the job also secure. If you are if companies totally got a bankrupt, then how can you save your job? You choose the government job. Okay. Now again, next day you can choose this. Firstly, you make the efforts in government job. If you failed in government job, if you are not get the in which government job, so you can choose the private job. Yeah. If you are doing well, the private job is secure, 100% secure. Lots of earning 1 lakh, 2 lakh in private jobs. You mentioned that, dear Cap sir mentioned that there have a possibility of successful is 0. something percent you did mention. Okay. Then how can you say this private job is secured? This is an example of a.
I want to say
job.
this.
Yeah,
They try to said ki for starting a business, it is risky more than a business who is already established. That business is safe, na. So we need to do a job in this business.
What did you think about the Nokia? He's already stable in this time.
But he is not trying to update itself, na. So if you are not updating, so you definitely will be out from the market.
We have to update ourselves.
Yes.
Yeah, I update myself. That's why we can provide a job. That's why we can create a job.
So if your business try to update, so we are a job holder. So we are also update itself now for doing job.
That's my responsibility. I have to upgrade myself, and I will do this.
If you are not update, so there is already many companies were there. I will join there. I will don't sit for you only.
Business. You told a business about a business. If that company also will get bankrupt, then what will you do?
Why? You are talking about Nokia, but what about Samsung? What about Vivo, Oppo?
He updated himself.
That's why you need to update yourself.
That's why he is.
You need to update. If you are not updated, you will be out from the market.
Yeah, this is my problem. Then I will manage this. Then I will update myself.
So, but
It's my
point is that
problem.
he
It's my
said that
responsibility.
for starting a business,
And
that is
everybody know. And everybody know.
for starting a business, that is a high risky, less chances to grow more.
Success ratio is
The point he was talking about success ratio. It means that it is possible for so many students to do job as well. Like we can join private companies, we can do private job as well. But for business, it is for specific people who have money or people who want to go into business. But other people to survive, I think job is the best, right?
Sir,
For a survival.
if we are not doing our job, so how you run your business?
If I am not doing a job,
Yes.
how can I?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Because you have a business, you have a very big company, crore 10 crore company you have, but you don't have workers, employers. So how you survive your business? How you do alone? Everything.
Yeah, I have not business, then how can you gain a job?
Sorry.
If I don't start
It's my reciprocal. How can you got this? If I have not business, how will you get a job?
I will.
You creating only you not mentioned only single business. You mentioned the overall business.
government job will not provide a businessman. Government job provide a government responsibility.
And government job in which field you can get?
Railway.
Yeah, you mentioned.
If I will not pay tax, your income tax department will out.
What kind of point?
We also pay tax, sir. We also pay tax.
Government field. No? I'm talking
In
about
every
income tax
you have to pay
department.
tax.
He said that if I start a business, then you will be able to work in my company, right? He's saying I will not go in company. I will be.
If I am not able to come, then how you run your company?
I serve to nation in border.
On the border, he will
Yes,
serve. Right?
we can start.
Till his life.
Till his life without money. Government
Government is paying
from where
Government
get the equipment. From where government can raise the money?
Government gives
Agriculture.
salary.
This is also for companies. This is also business, sir. This is also business, sir. This is also a business.
no.
A farmer also doing a business. So surviving himself, sir. For making a livelihood better.
Farmer
This
is
is
not
also
doing a business.
a
Farmer is feeding you.
business. What?
For our nation.
Chikansu wants to say something.
Sir, in which favor I will speak?
Business.
If you have a money, so you can buy a assistant manager, sir, business developer team, and he can manage your whole things. He will even hire an employee, even hire who will hire your team member, who will work for your
Run
team.
your business, you need to be an employee, na? Then you will hire, na?
So that's why I'm saying that I will pay money. He will come.
Yes, sir.
It is not a responsibility. You are saying that I will not go. It will not run your company. You want to say this?
Yes.
If business will not.
You are, sir, you are saying that I am a job seeker. You are saying that I am a job seeker. So I will come and I will hire you. I will give a money.
Business will not run. So how to hire an employee?
How it will not? If I will hire a proper team, I have a knowledge. Why be hired to business team? Business team is work for your business. I'm
Without money, without
The point that without job holders, how can you run a business?
Sir, without a job holder.
I am businessman, you are job holder.
As local vendor manage this business, as shopkeeper manage this business, this is also a business. I do, sir. I manage my business. I'm goldsmith. I manage my business.
You are selling sabzi.
Oh yeah.
That is not a business.
How can you say this? This is not a business. Why? How?
Because this is a self-employed. This is not a business. Yeah. Business is different from self-employed. You need to understand this. You need to understand. You need to understand this.
I didn't need to understand.
You have to.
So that's your fault, na? That's why your company was bad. Nokia. You are talking about Nokia, na? That's why you are not.
Sir, you are dreaming to do business and you don't know the definition of business.
Yes.
Yeah, of course I know, sir.
You know?
Yeah.
Then what about sabzi seller?
Sir, he is also a businessman, sir. He is trying to better his livelihood.
If he is a hawker, he is selling vegetable in the streets. So a vegetable seller cannot be known as businessman. But if he starts a company, hires people to be sold vegetables, then we can say he's a businessman, right? A hawker is self-employed.
Yeah, of course I have employees. Of course I have
But
employees.
he's not a vegetable seller, man. He's a goldsmith.
He is talking about his business.
That's mean any gold.
ठीक है, thank you very much. Please have a seat. एकदम complicated कर दिया आप लोगों ने. We can see in India the intellectuality, the wisdom of people. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji said once, peace be upon him, he said, country should be run on the basis of intelligence. I'm indicating you to talk about reservation. What do you think? This reservation system should be stopped or it should be continued. Reservation of women, reservation for so many things. What do you think?
Sir, what I think as far as me, sir, it was good for that time.
But now it is not good.
It is not total, like it cannot be finished totally. Like you talked about, sir, women's. So we cannot finish for the women's because somewhere women are not empowered. So if we finished, so they cannot be empowered, sir. So we should not finish it is totally, but we can finish for the in job sector. Now students are capable.
You have to.
Yeah, exactly. You are neutral kind of.
Sir, I'm not neutral.
You have to say whether say must be eradicated or must not be eradicated.
Sir, but the thing is, how can we eradicate
It
fully?
can be. Why not? It can be. We can amend. We
Sir-
can have an amendment.
Sir, we are
Exactly.
living in this country and here is a lot of diversity. So how can apply a same
In diversity we have unity. In diversity we
Yeah.
have equality. In diversity we have fraternity. Then why not reservation?
that unity is for the other country? Actually, we are not. Yes, sir.
okay.
Actually, we are not united. When we talk,
Why are we not united? Because this constitution is discriminating us. May God forgive me.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Exactly.
You are also.
I am from general caste. I have got 95%. I will not get selected.
So that's why I'm saying, na, sir, it was good for that time because they were weak. But now they are not weak. For the student, it should be finished. Every student, like,
No, you have to say one thing actually. You have to say for all it is not good or for all it is good.
let me think.
Right now. Yes,
yeah,
right
let me think for a while. It should not be finished.
Means it is absolutely okay.
It is absolutely right.
Hey Sika, come here. But I have gynophobia. I have gynophobia.
So you should call one man.
No, you can make distance and sit down, no problem. All right, you guys are like my sisters.
Yes.
So Sika, here she is saying that it should not be finished.
Yes, sir.
She wants division in the country. She is dividing people. She is discriminating people. Please.
Sir, nowadays what happened, I want to say that the creamy layer. Creamy layer in reservation, in creamy layer what happened, if the person have the salary up to 8 lakh, they don't deserve the reservation. But what happened nowadays, the person have like in SC and ST card, the person have the salary up to 8 lakh, but also they are in reservation. They are taking the benefit, and the person who is really needy that reservation, they are just deprived of that reservation.
So, ma'am, you are also agree. Some people are needy. So how can we finish it? You are accepting, and some people are needy. So how can we finish it? If we finish it, so you will again. Reservation is also on the basis of income. Like those person who are not like whose father is there is one student and his father is not earning more than 8 lakh. So the person will get some benefits. So it is all about benefits. You are not able to get.
This reservation is not existing actually.
Sir, EWS, those students like their fathers are not earning that much, so they can get scholarship and all things. So it is just about to empower the people to get put in front of and to equalize the people, not to discriminate. And if you are thinking only about yourself and not the others who are not actually existence in comparison to yours, so how it will be?
Ma'am, listen. If in your city there are 2 doctors, one is MBBS. And one is, means kind of village BMS, suppose that. where you will go. One intelligent and one is not intelligent. Where you will go?
So for what I have to go?
For taking medicine.
There is one specialist doctor and there is not
There is one specialist doctor because of he is intelligent.
Okay.
He by studying he went reached there, and one he is a support system. He is a caste basis. He is a like that he is a, someone is empowering you go, but he don't want to go. But he is one getting 80% marks means 80 marks. Interview and whatever he get a higher level education by their ability. And one 25% mark ST peoples, he is giving go and sitting, he have no ability means so where you will go?
Sir, I understood.
Who will work?
I understood your question. Your question was like that a person who is not able, even then he get job. So whenever a person crack an exam, it means how he cracked that exam. It means he was able. So
I'm saying that
it is all about ability.
One person he get a 80%.
You are not going to get free that people. You can come and you can get job. You are conducting the same exam for the everyone.
So that's why
you are not giving.
I'm saying that in a NEET exam, one is getting a 80% marks in general category. One person is getting a 80% job. He is here and he is here. One person is here and one person is here, but both are here equal. But one
Sir, you are thinking
Equality, but here is not equality.
You are thinking on the basis of exam. But government has to think also his background. Think about the
very
STN.
intelligent. If you are thinking about their background, both are here.
Why not, sir? One person is getting education in like a convent in school. One person is getting education in government
Sir,
school. You will compare both persons together.
Education both, ma'am. Government providing of education both.
You will compare both persons together.
Education is for everyone. It is a
Sir, you are talking about that one is artificial plant and you are talking about one is real plant. You are comparing both.
I'm not comparing. Education is equal for everyone. Education is equal for everyone. And lots of
but your
you should not. You have to.
But sir, your statement.
Divide, ma'am.
Sir.
And while government take creamy layer because you want to destroy, you want to that end this caste system. This
government.
Reservation system. Government want to.
The government want reservation system because they need to focus to increase the level of those who are poor and discriminated. Hold on. Discriminated on the basis of their caste.
Sir, 76.
Are you accepting that we are getting discriminated on the basis of caste? Few caste who are upper, they surpass the lower caste and not giving them the education and everything.
I was thinking,
so
but right
if the
now
government is reserving some seats for them, then what is wrong with you? Why are you opposing it?
Sir, listen.
It's a government aim and government responsibility to level up everything so that the poor and the discriminated caste and the upper and higher caste should be on the same page. And you are again saying that we should do that.
76 year, that we are celebrating Independence Day, and we are saying that we are not equal. It is our fault, sir. How do you?
Sir, you know one thing.
We are saying that to them, you are SC, you are ST, you are not able.
Sir, do you know one? Sir, do you know?
You are saying that you are a lower. I will provide everything. No need of work.
Sir, do you know one? Exactly. One by one people speak so that we can think and speak. Sir, you are trying to do that like
whatever you want to say.
There is one person who is disabled, okay, and there is one person who is able, and he also want to watch the match, and you are also want to match. So how that person can be watched? When you will provide the same equality to that person, how type of it will be in discrimination?
We are celebrating a 76 Independence Day. Right now we are
for the government, it is mandatory to provide equality and provide the same level.
They provide education. It was for the 10 year, 20 year, but we are giving this reservation. This you are OBC, you are getting this. You are ST to get this reservation. EWS, you are miss everyone get a reservation. So why?
Because the discrimination was on the basis of caste.
Sir, caste.
That is why we are getting this kind of reservation on the basis of caste. How can you say?
Get, sir, according to, they don't need to reservation according to their, the caste system, sir. They are upper. Means right now, Kshatriya and Brahman, they want to reservation. Sir, you are saying that SC and ST they need. Right now, EWS they need. Means everyone want to get a reservation, sir.
Then what is wrong in it?
Sir, it is
Person who is poor should get the opportunity.
I am a general category. If I will not get, I am also from, my background is also from poor family, sir.
If you talk about EWS, that is based on the economical. If you are poor, you should get the reservation to come on the same page. You are getting opportunity to the person who are better to become the more better. And you are suppressing those people who are poor, get more poor.
They are misusing of this, sir. In a blessed side, they have everything, but they are saying that I am a EWS, I am a EWS. Someone said that. Someone is saying that I'm ST. I want to this seat.
Sir, you need
Actually, if we providing the SC, ST the reservation, they just stuck in that situation. They don't want to enhance their skill.
How can you say that? If there is an IS who become the IS through the ST category, his children and his other relatives going to get benefited that in the education and other thing.
But sir, you don't think I am also belongs from OBC? I am in a general category. I am also don't have anything. Want to become an IS officer, and the number is my number is higher than the ST. ST, I am not able to get that because of reservation. The ST person is able to take their job. So it is unfair with me, na? Because of reservation.
But because
I'm also the struggling with same struggle, same study. But because of reservation, that person are easily took that a job. But I'm not.
You are not thinking about the condition of those people. You are just thinking about yourself. Ma'am, suppose. Let me explain you. Suppose there is one. Jungle, forest. There is one forest, okay? And there is one forest. It is going to finish. So will you preserve that forest to that forest? Tell me.
That forest.
Which is going to finish, na?
Yes.
So we did that. That what is the problem? You could not understand, I think.
I understood.
What you want to say?
Again, I have to repeat.
I understand.
Okay.
Means you want to say that in this country, SC and ST
Sir,
people, they are going to destroy by general. So that's why
my example was.
You can see the condition of United States of America. There is no discrimination.
Intelligence based, ma'am, need to education. You are saying that
They do not have any reservation because they do not have.
Let me, sir, speak firstly. Then you speak.
Where?
Where? But you could not understand the example. There is two forests. Let me explain first.
So, sir,
they are shouting.
Remove to caste system now. Sir, if you remove to caste system, sir, remove to caste system if you want to remove anything.
They have given some reservation to the black people to come forward. If there is a reservation between the black people, white people, then we have a caste system.
Ma'am, listen.
We have a caste system, so then reservation are giving on the caste system, then what is wrong?
Ma'am, listen. You are not listening. Ma'am, you are not listening. Ma'am, see. You are able to speak.
You will go on the America and see the ground report of.
Sir, just take an example of here. She is able to shout more than me, okay? So here you need to empower me, na? It is like that.
Listen, ma'am. Listen.
Do not take us personally. I just
do not say anything without any evidence.
Ma'am,
sir, I just want to explain my one point.
I want to also speak on one point.
Like a person who is let's take an example. There is one forest and another there is one forest. It is already empowered and second is not empowered. So will you empower that plant who is already empowered? Will you empower that plant which is not empowered?
By reservation.
I am asking just simple question which is really it's a logical.
I am not replying that to your example.
Why not?
Why not?
I am a
Because it is against
Because it is against your topic.
Here are two children, one children, second, both children have a own mindset, and every person correct examination. Why you need a reservation?
Okay, you take.
I have a 90% mark. You have a 30% mark. You are eligible for that.
Hold on, Neetu, hold on. You have given example of two children. One person is not as much as intelligent and second person is very much intelligent. To whom you are going to care? The intelligent person or non-intelligent person?
Other second person is not intelligent and he is able to take responsibility for our country.
No, my question you did not answer. No, don't manipulate. Don't manipulate. Don't manipulate. You have to give me an answer. You have to give me an answer to whom you are going to give care more.
Second children.
Who is not much intelligent. Why?
Intelligence and reservation both are different.
No, both are same. Both are same. It's not me who has given example. It's you who has given example. Then I am asking question on based on your example. Then you are again manipulating me.
Your example is not good for the.
Listen.
It is your example, Neetu. Your example you have given.
Very good.
Why are you taking care of that person who is not intelligent?
Sir, intelligence and reservation both are different.
Both are
Why
same.
are you
You have to give reservation and other values to the person who is not intelligent to become on the same level. If we are doing through the reservation, then what?
Listen, sir. Listen.
She is not answering her own question.
Sir.
She is not answering.
One baby born, he don't know where I am born. SC home and ST home, OBC and general. Sir, both are equal. Means they don't have idea. What is if one is in general home, one is SC home, one is ST home. Means both they don't have idea. Means where I will born. But according to caste system. Means sir, you are giving him to reservation. You are ST, so you will 30% only. Mean their mental. You are setting their mentality to 30% mark. That is enough. You will get a job. No need of intelligence. Means no need. No need of intelligence.
How reservation started? How reservation is started?
From bottom of your heart, you understand that the person who are not getting enough opportunity should get enough opportunity. But again, you are opposing this. We are discriminated on the basis of caste. So if we are giving reservation on the basis of caste, then what is wrong with you?